Casement window installation in Frederick is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our expert team specializes in providing high-quality casement window replacement Frederick services. Casement Windows Frederick solutions ensure your home benefits from the latest in window technology. For those in need of window frame replacement, our Frederick window frame installation services offer durable solutions that restore the integrity and appearance of your windows. We understand the importance of maintaining a secure and energy-efficient home, which is why our window frame replacement services are second to none. Energy-efficient windows Frederick are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our selection of double-glazed windows Frederick provides superior insulation, helping to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Casement windows Frederick options also enhance airflow and efficiency. Trust our Frederick window insulation services to enhance your home's energy performance. Window seal installation is crucial for preventing drafts and maintaining the efficiency of your windows. Our Frederick window seal installation services ensure that your windows are properly sealed, reducing energy loss and enhancing comfort. We also offer comprehensive window weatherproofing Frederick solutions to protect your home from the elements. Home window upgrades are a smart investment for any homeowner. Our Frederick custom window solutions cater to your unique style and functional needs, offering a wide range of options to suit any home. From window glass replacement Frederick to custom window solutions, we have you covered. Window hardware installation is essential for the smooth operation of your windows. Our Frederick window hardware services include window hinge installation Frederick and window lock installation Frederick, ensuring your windows function flawlessly. We also provide window sash replacement and window sash installation Frederick for optimal performance. Window screen installation is a practical addition to any home, providing ventilation while keeping pests out. Our Frederick window screen installation services offer durable and stylish solutions to enhance your home's comfort and security. Pair this with our window maintenance services for long-lasting results. Window weatherproofing Frederick is vital for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our window caulking services Frederick and window trim replacement Frederick ensure your windows are sealed and secure, preventing leaks and drafts. Trust our window leak installation Frederick services to address any issues promptly. Window insulation services are key to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our Frederick window insulation services include the installation of energy-efficient windows and double-glazed windows Frederick, providing superior thermal performance. Enhance your home's efficiency with our expert services. Window style consultation Frederick helps you choose the perfect windows for your home. Our Frederick window design services offer personalized guidance to ensure your windows complement your home's architecture and style. From window measurement Frederick to installation, we provide comprehensive support. Window maintenance services are essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Our Frederick window maintenance services include regular inspections and installations, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Trust our window refurbishment Frederick services for expert care. Window leak installation Frederick is crucial for preventing water damage and maintaining your home's integrity. Our expert team provides prompt and effective solutions to address any leaks, ensuring your windows remain watertight. Pair this with our window pane replacement Frederick services for comprehensive care. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows in Frederick. Our residential window services in Frederick offer top-notch energy-efficient windows that help reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Choose from a variety of double-glazed windows in Frederick to enhance your home's insulation and style. For those seeking custom window solutions in Frederick, our window design services provide personalized options to fit your unique needs. Our Frederick custom window solutions include window style consultation and window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit for your home. Ensure your windows are in top condition with our comprehensive window maintenance services in Frederick. From window seal installation to window weatherproofing, Frederick, our team provides expert window refurbishment and window insulation services to keep your home protected from the elements. If you're experiencing issues with your windows, our Frederick window installation services have you covered. We specialize in window leak installation, Frederick, window pane replacement, and window hinge installation, Frederick, to restore your windows to their original condition. Enhance your home's security with our window lock installation services in Frederick. Our Frederick window hardware services include window lock installation and window hardware installation to ensure your windows are safe and secure. Transform your home with our Casement window installation services in Frederick. Our team provides expert casement window replacement, Frederick, and window frame replacement to give your home a fresh, modern look. Trust our Frederick window installation services for a seamless upgrade. For a flawless finish, our window trim replacement, Frederick, and window caulking services ensure your windows are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Our Frederick window caulking services provide a clean, polished look while improving energy efficiency. Our window sash replacement and window screen installation services in Frederick offer practical solutions for maintaining your windows. Whether you need window sash installation, Frederick, or Frederick window screen installation, our team delivers quality results. Protect your investment with our Frederick window installation warranty. Our window installation warranty provides peace of mind, ensuring your new windows are covered for years to come. Choose our Frederick window installation services for reliable, long-lasting results, with Casement Windows, Frederick solutions you can trust.